So, this is Errol. Errol's going to talk to us about the Cobra X. What's new? Why should people care about this?
Yes. So this thing is Cobra X. We have our ACE Generation 2 technology, and the whole print head is redesigned. So we have two very important parts. The first is about extruder, and the second is about hot end. So let's begin with the extruder. So you can see all the four colors right now is built in the print head. So you don't have to buy an ACE Pro for multicolor printing. So right now, all the four filaments stay inside the extruder. Even when you print another material and when you switching colors, they will all just stay inside. They will not go out. So which means when you switch colors, this one can save time. And let's go to the hot end. The hot end is already designed. You can see here, the cutter itself is super low, and right now the nozzle is very short, which means when you switching colors, we don't have to waste so many time and filament when you're switching colors. So basically, right now after our test, when you're doing a full color printing, we can save half time and half filament.
Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah. Okay, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Other than that, like, the form factor is very similar to the Cobra 3. Like, has any of the other elements changed? The body, the heat bed, or is it just kind of a bit of an upgrade specifically in this area?
Yeah, I will say the most important thing is the print head, but other things also have a little improvement. For example, right now the hot bed is 260 cubic. Compared to Cobra 3, we only have 255. And right now the framework is super stable. You can see, even compared to the Cobra 3 Max, this one is thicker.
Yeah.
Because right now we are trying to have more filament on the top, so we are trying to have more stable base. And also right now the screen is updated.
Yeah.
We have a new UI right now, and we have a new screen compared to the old one.
It does look like definitely a professional upgrade from the brand.
Yeah.
So obviously we've still got the elements like the camera, we've got a new improved screen. I like, is that moving? That's fixed.
Yeah, that's fixed.
Okay, yep. Form factor's much nicer. This is quite a large hot end unit. I like the little LCD display.
Yeah.
Is that telling me which
one is using? Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I do like that. Obviously, we're on about this. It keeps everything in, so it reduces time to change. It reduces the
filament
waste. So obviously, it's still a color changer, and we're still going to have the things like that. Have you got any elements? I know with a lot of these style of printers, the modding community normally creates like add-ons, like little baskets, like catchers or anything like that. Is there anything that you're doing as the brand officially that we can print out? I know that there was one when I first got the Cobra 3, like, I don't know if it was official, but it was their day one release. So have you got any things that you're making? Yeah,
right now we know there's a problem, like when you buy the new product, but this product just released, which means you don't have much something like 3D model for itself. So right now we are doing is we're trying to design, for example, the rest box for the machine, and also the rack for the ACE2 Pro. For example, if you buy 4, in the early stage you don't have a model for you to rack them. So right now we are doing something like that, like what you said.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah. So you mentioned the ACE2 Pro.
Yeah.
So one thing I know from a meeting we had the other day, you're moving from the ACE to the ACE2 Pro.
Yeah.
The these machines are not backwards compatible with the old ACE.
Yes.
So all the new machines are ACE2 Pro only.
Yes.
But that means this is also, even with all this, you can use up to 2 ACE2 Pros with this machine?
No, 4.
4,
yeah.
Okay.
So you can choose, like for example, this channel goes into the ACE2 Pro, and all the 3 stay, which means you can up to 3 plus 16 colors, equal to 19 colors.
Brilliant. Okay, so so you've just got little add-ons for here then that are different hubs.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Definitely an interesting product. So this isn't the only printer they've got. We're also revealing the Cobra S1 Max.
Yes, S1 Max and the ACE2 Pro.
Brilliant. Let's have a look at that.